In this video, we will continue the process of unpacking the MYP unit planner. Every MYP unit is guided by a statement of inquiry. Everything in the unit should be aligned to support understanding of this statement. Inquiry questions, summative assessment, content, learning experiences and teaching strategies, formative assessment. Crafting the statement may take multiple drafts in order to create a sentence that is transferable, meaningful, understandable to students, and can be explored through the unit's subject area content. So let's look more closely at the elements of the unit plan that you will use to create the statement of inquiry. First, you will consider the unit's conceptual understanding and global context. Continuing our example from design described in the previous video, let's take a look at the conceptual understanding and the selected global context and the global context exploration. At this point, the statement of inquiry can be constructed by combining the key concept, the related concepts, and the global context exploration. It may be helpful to consider the roles of the key and related concepts and the global context exploration through a thinking frame. Students will be exploring these concepts and the relationship between them through inquiries grounded in the global context exploration. Now, the synthesized statement of inquiry can be developed. Remember that if direct use of the unit's key and related concepts creates an awkward or meaningless statement, these terms can be replaced by clearly representative words or phrases. As the global context exploration can be customized when it is identified, the word or phrase that represents the exploration should be clearly included. When the synthesized sentence is finalized, it is important to step back and check that it contains all the elements of a strong statement of inquiry. Sometimes the statement of inquiry needs to be tweaked a little at this stage to ensure it meets all of the criteria. Once you are confident it meets the criteria for an effective statement of inquiry, you can enter it in the unit planner. In the next video in this series, we'll look at how to develop strong inquiry questions, which are factual, conceptual, and debatable.